Hi friends, I am Omkar Gajanan Gaikar. My topic name is Supply Chain Management of Nestle. Content. Introduction of Supply Chain Management. The concept of supply chain management is a relatively new concept. It is concept that includes all activities associated with a flow and transportation of goods from raw material stage through to the end user. P. Information flow to and from the end user. This concept consists of all parties involved in fulfill customers' request. The parties involved are manufacturer, supplier, transports, warehouses, retailers, customers, basic components of CSM, planning, sourcing, making, delivering, return. Introduction of Nestle. Nestle is one of the largest food companies in the world. The product of Nestle mainly includes the cereal, baby food, coffee, tea, as well as ice cream and pet foods. The company was formed in year 1905 by the manager of the Anglo-Swiss Milk Company. The company grew considerably during the World War. First, one of the biggest competitor of the company is the Anglo-Swiss Condensed Milk Company that is already a leading manufacturer in Europe. As a result, in order to compete with this company, Nestle launched considered milk product of its own. Aim of project to study about supply chain management. They explain various supply chain management in Nestle. To understand about supply chain management, to study about all products of Nestle and its supply chain management. Objectives and suppliers. Objectives to achieve compatibility with international voluntary standard on environmental management systems, to build mutual trust with customers, governmental authorities and business partners, to ensure continuous improvement of Nestle environmental performance. Suppliers. Nestle has an extensive network of suppliers like packaging supplier, labor supplier, vendor that overlooks after a machinery, and finally the specialized people like engineers and policymakers that helps to run the business most efficiently at a minimum cost. Procurements and manufacturing. Procurements. As strategic partner of the business of procurement team help the company achieve sustainable growth. Procurements professionals at Nestle ensure responsibility source supply and create value located in hubs in Switzerland, Panama and Malaysia. The division provides range of services including the management of procurements for specific raw materials, packaging, indirect materials, and other services. The hubs also support markets with managing local spend. Manufacturing. For Nestle, manufacturing includes all the processes we need to turn raw materials into safe nutrition products for all consumers. Nestle typical supply chain. Raw material, suppliers, production, Nestle warehouse, distributor, retailers. Literature review. The story of Nestle being in 1867 when Henry Nestle developed a baby formula that saved a child life and marked the beginning of Nestle Decides World committed to nutrition. Today Nestle is the world's largest food and beverage company and a global leader in health, nutrition and wellness. Consumers around the world from village squares in Nigeria to skyscrapers in New York and Chicago are united by the Nestle promise of quality, taste, nutrition and convenience. Through headquarters in Vevey, Switzerland, we now have 487 factories dotted around, employing over 255 people in 86 countries. Nestle products are available in almost every country, and in 2005 Nestle global sales reached $73 billion. Brief description of project. Nestle is the nutrition, health and wellness company which engages the manufacture, supply and production of prepared dishes and cooking aids, milk-based products, pharmaceuticals and ophthalmic goods, baby foods and cereals. The company products portfolio includes powdered and liquid beverages, water, milk products and ice cream, nutrition and health science, prepared dishes and cooking aids, confectionery and pet care. It operates through the following segments: Zone EMEA Zone, Americas Zone, Asia, Oceania and Africa. Nestle Waters, Nestle Nutrition and other businesses. The other businesses segment is comprised of Nespresso, Nestle Health Science and Nestle Skin Health. The company was founded by Henry Nestle in 1866 and is headquarters in Vevey, Switzerland. Actual procedure follow. First, collect information about our project. Ask two teacher about how to make report. Then, collect resources of project from Google and from other media and study the research papers regarding the project. Then, make presentation on our project and also made video on supply chain management of Nestle. Output of micro project. Learn about how supply chain management of Nestle, understand about overall process related to supply of product, also know important terms required to supply a product, got effective information about CSM of future references. Area of future improvement. After successfully completion of this project, we will able to solve or analyze supply chain management of Nestle. References: www.nestle.com, Stevens, A Furnace of Descartes and Harrison J.S. Nestle. Philips Corporate Social Responsibility Reporting, Nestle Company City, Bozar C.B. Hadfield R.B. Introduction to Operate and Supply Chain Management Person Hire ED. Christopher, Logistic and Supply Chain Management Person Hire ED. Thank you.